Hi everyone, Tasha here for Kat Scrappiness, and today we're introducing the new Spooky Boo word die set. This die set includes two pieces. You get the Spooky Boo letters, and these letters do cut out individually, and you get the back shadow layer, so you can use that with or without the shadow to create different looks. I'm going to show you how they look when they cut out the paper. First, we have the shadow layer, and when it cuts out perfectly. And then we have the letters of the boo. Now again, you can use these letters alone, or you can use them layered like I'm showing here. And they layer on perfectly, so you don't have to worry about lining anything up. And that's how they look layered. I'm going to show you a couple other color combinations against white paper. Again, here are the letters just laid out, so you can use these alone. Here's the back layer or the shadow. And here's a close-up of one of the letters, so you can see how it has like that dripping detail. That's really fun for your Halloween projects. Here's another color combination with the pink and the black. Here's one with orange in the background and then the black letters. And then we have a nice hot pink color with black letters. And I just love pink and black together. And here's a project using the Spooky Boo die. Isn't that fun with the lime green and hot pink color combination? I hope you enjoyed a peek at the new Kat Scrappiness Spooky Boo word die set. All the information will be in the description box below. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.